Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the world we live in. From healthcare to finance, transportation to retail, AI is changing the way we live, work, and do business. Today, we'll be exploring the exciting field of AI management and how it's being used across a wide range of industries. At its core, AI is about using machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This can include anything from natural language processing to image recognition to predictive analytics. In manufacturing, for example, AI is being used to optimize production processes and improve quality control. By analyzing data from sensors and other sources, AI can identify patterns and make adjustments in real time to minimize downtime and waste. In healthcare, AI is being used to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. By analyzing patient data and medical records, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and develop more personalized treatment plans. In transportation, AI is being used to develop self-driving cars that can navigate roads and highways more safely and efficiently than human drivers. By analyzing data from sensors and cameras, these cars can make split-second decisions and avoid accidents. In retail, AI is being used to personalize the shopping experience and improve customer engagement. By analyzing data from online behavior and purchase history, AI can recommend products and services that are more likely to be of interest to individual customers. So what does all of this mean for AI management? Put simply, it means that managers need to understand how AI works and how it can be applied to their specific industry and business goals. This includes identifying the right use cases for AI, selecting the right tools and technologies, and managing the ethical and legal implications of AI. It also means developing the skills and expertise needed to work with AI systems, including data analysis, machine learning, and programming. As AI continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, these skills will become increasingly important for managers in all industries. In conclusion, AI is a powerful tool that has the potential to transform the way we live and work. By understanding how AI works and how it can be applied to their specific industry, managers can leverage this technology to drive innovation and create new opportunities for growth and success. Thanks for watching this introduction to AI management. We hope you've gained a better understanding of AI and its applications in various industries.